Nature's tapestry. In every leaf, a verse to be deciphered. In every river, a song is offered. Nature, an open book to the eye, where mysteries and beauties intertwine and fly. From mountains snow-capped to valleys bloomed bright, life pulses in 1,000 forms of light. The dance of the trees, an ancestral ballet. The birdsong's melody, a heavenly lay. In ocean's depths, a hidden world does dwell, where creatures fantastic in shadows fell. With every dewdrop, a miracle's born. With every sunbeam, a new day is sworn. The earth, our mother, embraces and feeds. With fruits and flowers, our spirits are freed. In every cycle of life, a lesson to learn. Nature, our teacher, forever to yearn. The forest, a green lung, purifies our air. The wind, a messenger, brings tidings to share. The stars, a beacon that guide us through night. The moon, a companion, serene and bright. Water, life's fountain, a precious good, to cherish and guard. We must do all we could. In every living thing, a divine spark. Nature, a temple where souls grow dark.